Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm looking at Cardano today and token ADA, and just to give a quick trade update on where I'm at on this coin. Now I took a beautiful long position entry on this ABC down here at around 51 cents, and actually I'll just show this so in case people are tuning in for the first time. It was off this beautiful ABC over here, and I managed to get that entry there. Now this was back on the 22nd of June, and I've been holding this trade ever since, and at one point my trade was at a 64.64 R&R, which is not too shabby. But I'm holding this for the long term, as I do pretty much all of my long trades if I get really good entries, because we don't know what's going to happen. We could be on the cusp of an alt season. It's been a long time in the making. We could dump to the downside again, but if we imagine for a moment that this will continue to the upside, Cardano's last all-time high was near $3. If we go back to even retest that $3 mark, this trade would be a 316 R&R, which would be absolutely phenomenal. Whether that happens or not remains to be seen, but I'm willing to be patient to see if that plays out. Certainly, I think if we get to the $2 mark and there is no significant ABC short hedge position, I probably will take profit around that price action. But I've been doing ABCs for a long time, and I've been trading for a long time, and if you're patient enough, there's always a good trade entry to be taken. So let's see what happens. Now I also managed to get a hedge short position, and that was off this ABC here, so it would have been round about this region here. I got in just a little bit higher as I was testing a slight modification of the ABC trading method, and that was fortunate because we did have a wick up to this level here, and had my entry been at the standard ABC entry position, that likely would have stopped me out. And you can see here it wicked up really quick and then it wicked back down, and had you not been awake or available at that time to take that re-entry, you would have missed out on that one or had a much worse entry. Now as it stands, we are making an ABC to the downside, and this would be a reasonable long entry actually. It's a 4-hour time frame. We've got a clear ABC, it has come up to retest, got rejected, and now it's come back up, and I'm within one stop of my entry position over here. So if I didn't have a current long entry on the board for Cardano, I would take this entry, just because how do we know that we're not just going to pump from here? However, I already have a nice long entry and I'm not looking to disturb that. So for now, we will see what happens. Any questions, guys, please just let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.